Everyone working on a Volvo transmission, the Tf80-sc, which is also a Ford transmission. I just want to show you guys very briefly the difference between a good and a bad transmission fluid pump. If you look very closely here, the inner part where the rotor or the stator rotates, so here there's a bunch of grooves grinded into the actual pump housing, and that's what you don't want to see. If you can run your finger across and you feel the bumps, it's no good. A good one should be like this, where it's nice and smooth, 100% smooth, and no markings whatsoever on the inner portion of the pump. So this is our problem here on the transmission that we're currently taking apart. At the same time with the new one, also we're putting a new pump bushing in. So this one, had the spun bushing that came out with the torque converter. So I don't know if you guys can see that, those grooves that are grinded into the metal. That's where we have a bad pump. So if you guys see that and you're tearing apart your transmission, you definitely want to replace it. Great day.